If you're looking for a dependable power cable for your mobile radio, the T-shaped DC car power cable is worth considering. Designed specifically for popular brands like ICOM, Kenwood, and YAESU, it promises a secure connection and consistent power delivery while on the road. Initially, some users reported fit issues with the connector on certain radios. One buyer found that the plastic housing was slightly oversized and the pins were reversed on the first cable they tested, which prevented a proper connection. This led to some initial frustration. However, after a closer look, it turned out that the problem was isolated to just one of the cables in the package. The other two cables fit perfectly and worked without any issues. This shows that the product's quality control is generally reliable, with occasional exceptions. What you get with this cable is a sturdy build and compatibility across multiple radio models. It offers a straightforward plug-and-play experience once you confirm the connector matches your device. This means fewer interruptions during your travels and a stable power source for your communication needs. If you want a power cable that delivers consistent performance for your mobile radio setup, this T-shaped DC car power cable is a solid option. Just double-check your radio's connector type before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. Worth a look if you prioritize reliability and ease of use in your mobile radio accessories. It's a practical choice that keeps your devices powered without fuss or frequent replacements. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your mobile radio's power connection. With mostly positive feedback and a simple design, this cable offers good value for anyone needing a dependable car power solution. In the end, the T-shaped DC car power cable stands out as a dependable accessory for ICOM, Kenwood, and YAESU radios. Its compatibility and solid construction make it a smart pick for keeping your mobile radio powered on the go.